Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making garlic potato balls. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and packed with bold garlic flavor. Perfect as a snack or party starter. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 6 to 7 garlic cloves and roast for 2 minutes until golden brown. Roast garlic slowly to avoid bitterness. Garlic enhances flavor even in small quantities. Mash the garlic well and keep aside. Take 5 to 6 boiled potatoes. Use well-boiled, cool potatoes for the best texture. Grate the potatoes. Potato snacks are popular worldwide in many forms. Now add the mashed garlic. Half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup corn flour, 1/4 cup gram flour, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Corn flour gives extra crispiness to fried snacks. Grease oil on your hands and shape the mixture into balls. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Garlic supports immunity and digestion. Homemade snacks avoid artificial additives. Potatoes provide energy and potassium. Portion control keeps fried snacks enjoyable. Transfer the hot potato balls to a bowl. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, and coriander leaves. Toss gently and serve hot. Tossing spices after frying boosts aroma instantly. Toss spices while the balls are hot for better coating. Your garlic potato balls are crispy, flavorful, and delicious. Serve them hot with chutney or sauce. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy and tasty snacks.